In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable System Restore on your Windows 10 device. So if you want to turn it off, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Control Panel. Best result, should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. Select the View By up in the top right and select Large Icons. And then you want to go down and select where it says Recovery. Where it says Configure System Restore, go ahead and select that. Currently, in the event that system protection is enabled here, and let's just say we had it turned on and you went back in here, if you wanted to turn it off, you would select the configure button right here and you would select disable system protection. So if you're curious what I just did like a minute ago, I just turned on system protection because I can't turn it off unless it's turned on, hence the purpose of this tutorial here. So you just would open this up, you would select the configure button, and then you would select the disable system protection on this new window that opened up. Select apply and OK to save that, and that would turn off system restore. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.